Now we are discussing about Web3. Web3 has become catch-all term for the vision of a new, better internet. At its core, Web3 uses blockchains, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs to give power back to the users in the form of ownership. Next point is what is Web3 and why it is important. By linking this information with other data from multiple sources, Web3 allows users to search and combine related data in new and exciting ways. Another important feature of Web is that it uses a digital vocabulary which allows information be easily understood by machines. Next point is what is Web3 in crypto. Later in 2014, Polkadot and Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood coined the phrase Web 3.0, which refers to a decentralized online ecosystem built on the blockchain. The internet version will thus be created in a more human-created and personalized way with no central authority to regulate its development. Next point is what is the difference between Web 2 and Web 3. Difference between that is Web 2 and Web 3 are similar technologies with its similar backgrounds, but they approach challenges differently. The fundamental distinction is that Web 2 focuses on reading and writing content, whereas Web 3 focuses on creating content. Next point is what language will Web 3 use? On top of it, Java also works as the popular language in Web 3 programming with the influences of C syntax. Developers can use Java to create smart contracts featuring extensive libraries, object-oriented programming support, and direct memory cleaning. Where can I buy Web 3? Go to CoinMarketCap and search for Web 3 Tap on the button labeled Market near the price chart. In this view, you will see a complete list of places you can purchase Web 3 in you, as well as the currencies you can use to obtain it. And next point is what is Web 3 salary? How much do Web 3 developers get paid? The average Web 3 developer salary is $100K to $150K per year. The salary depends on the technology, programming language, years of experience, location, and the seniority. All these will be applicable. Wishing you all the best. This is the information regarding Web 3.